Hello Year 1, today we are carrying on with place value to 50, but first we need to write the date. So if yesterday was the 28th of January, what day is it today? It's the 29th, which has 2 10s and 9 1s. We are still in January, so it's the 29th of the 1st, and the year is 2021. And we also need to practice our numbers. Remember, we start at 0 and go up to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I'd like you to pause the video here and have a go at writing the date and your numbers. So today we are looking at finding one more and one less than given numbers up to 50. You will be doing this by making links between your prior knowledge of one more and one less than given numbers up to 20, and you will also hopefully recognise that it is the ones column that changes most of the time, but not all of the time. Our first activity is filling in the blanks. So we need to figure out how many donuts there are all together. So let's count how many donuts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 donuts. One more than 15. Who can tell me what one more than 15 is? Let's have a look at our 100 square grid. So 15 is here. One more than 15 is 16. So we've done our first one. How many donuts were there all together? There were 15. One less than 15 is, well, we have to go in the other direction because remember we're looking at a number that is smaller. So one less than 15 is 14. We have another fill in the blanks here. We're using the base 10 equipment. So we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So our number altogether is 33. One more than 33 is, well, let's find 33. One more than 33. Remember, the number's getting bigger, so we have to go this way on our number line. One more than 33 is 34. One less than 33. Remember, the number has to get smaller that time, so we're going this way on the number line. One less than 33 is 32. So one more than 33 is 34, and one less than 33 is 32. Can you spot a pattern? The ones column is changing, but the tens column didn't change. Let's see if that carries on with our next example. So our number is 49. Let's find 49 on our number line. One more than 49, so remember it has to get bigger. One more than 49 is 50. And one less than, remember it gets smaller, so one less than 49 is 48. Has it carried on with our pattern? Our ones column has changed both times because we went from 9 ones to 8. But then, on this number, it's not just the ones that has changed. We no longer have 4 tens, we have 5 tens because 49 add 1 equals 50. So our next example is 38. So let's find 38 on our 100 square grid. 1 more than, remember, moves this direction. The number gets bigger because we are adding 1 on. So 1 more than 38 is 39. 1 less than travels in the opposite direction because the number is getting smaller because you're taking 1 away. So 1 less than 38 is 37. And look, only the ones have changed this time. 1 more than 38 is 39, and 1 less than 38 is 37. So the next number I want to have a look at is 27. What is 1 more than 27? Remember, when we're talking about more than, we're adding on. So 1 more than 27 is 28. What about less than? When we talk about less than, the number is getting smaller because we are taking away. So 1 less than 27 is 26. So 1 more than 27 is 28, and 1 less than 27 is 26. Let's try one last example all together. So our next number is 34. What is 1 more than 34? Remember, when we're talking about more than, the number is getting bigger because we are adding on. So 1 more than 34 is 35. What about 1 less than 34? Remember, when we are talking about less than, the number is getting smaller. So 1 less than 34 is 33. So 1 more than 34 is 35, and 1 less than 34 is 33. I'd now like you to have a go at your worksheet. Don't forget to do the maths challenge, and if you want an extra extension, you can go and follow the National Academy video link. I can't wait to see your fantastic work, Year 1.